Hi guys, in today's video I have very exciting news. We have a production well. Just look behind me guys. So our birds are going to have plenty water. We are going to have enough water here at the farm and at our home. We are very excited. So my name is Asperia if you're watching me for the very first time, and we've been suffering guys very hard season. It's a dry season over here, and our bats have really struggled to have drinking water. But yeah, like I said in my previous videos, we were doing a production well, and as I talk, it's there, almost done, and we get like a solution, a permanent solution. Getting reliable water at the farm is very important. So let me show you how everything went on. Stick around, watch the video, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. I love you. And so guys, we had to first buy these materials, and the guys dug this hole manually. It was really funny and full of fun. They enjoyed doing their work, and I realized that there is a lot of work on this earth. And yeah, so that is it so far. They dug as they were constructing, because they first dug the first hole and it just broke down, like it almost swallowed someone, so they had to close it behind there, and this was the second one. So they were working very hard to construct it and make it like so tight so that it will not break again. So everything was going on well. So continue watching the video, hit the like button if you haven't liked the video, share it with your friends, leave a comment for us guys. So by this time they were removing water and they wanted to add some feed, and so keep watching, enjoy the video, give us what you think in the comment section, and yeah, let's go guys. So digging this hole took them about 3 days, and they were done with the digging, and so they started constructing it very well, furnishing it, and making it look so beautiful. Of course they had to disorganize my compound, but of course I'm going to organize it again because I really wanted water. So there we go. That is the well, and it has so many feet. I tried to zoom to see whether I could get the bottom, but I couldn't really get it so well. I feared my phone I didn't want it to really fall in there. But yeah, that is it guys. It is going to carry a lot of water, many liters, and this is going to help us irrigate our crops, greens and coffee, bananas, and also domestic use, and our poultry farm. It's really going to be a very great help because we've been incurring a lot of money paying bills, national water, but yeah, we are going to be free. And so continue watching. I will be sharing with you how much it costed us to build this and to construct it, make it work. I'll give you the final video guys. So continue watching, leave a comment for us, love the video, like it, share it. Let's go together guys. So here they are constructing it. Of course they didn't construct it in one day. They constructed it in process by process, bit by bit, and I'm going to give it to you all. of course we are going to stop there for now, but here I'm going to give you another video. We bought a water pump and then we connected the water. We started the very first pumping, and yeah guys, we are almost there. So for now, let's end it there. He had to just put that cement there to and allowed it to dry, and then he came back and finished it. It made it look so beautiful, guys.